Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this is exciting. This is the first look of my fall looks or autumn looks, wherever you live in the world, this year. So like the year is just going by so quickly, but this is the first one. It's your classic brown smoky eye, slightly warmer, like deep rusty kind of tone. Not warm brown smoky eye because I don't really wear them that often, but there is a pop of purple on my eye because I can't just do a neutral look. That's just not me. I had to put a little pop of something on there, but it's really nice and smoky and beautiful. I think I actually love it. I love like this section here where it's all like smoked out around here. I love it. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. So we're starting off this look like every other video, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prime my eyes and my lower lash line. I'll bring that all the way up to the brow like normal. This is probably very boring for you guys, but to me it's essential to all my makeup looks, so I like to add it in just so you can follow along. Then I'm taking MAC's eyeshadow in soft brown, and I'm taking that on an Inglot 6SS brush. And this is a nice, very soft, obviously soft brown, soft, warmer toned, slightly neutral brown. Great transition shade, and I'm applying that right into my crease, really blending it out up really high. Then I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in 329, which is a really deep, dark, chocolatey brown. I'm taking that on a Makeup Geek defined crease brush, and I'm applying that to my outer corner, kind of in a C shape all the way curved around into my crease, and kind of blending it into the soft brown shade. Then I'm taking the 6SS brush again with a little bit of the soft brown on it, and just using that to blend out the edges. And then going black in with more of the dark brown just to re-intensify the crease, just so it really stands out. I want this to be nice and deep. And then going back in and blending with my bigger brush. Then I'm taking NYX Jumbo Pencil in dark brown, and I'm using this as a base on my lid. You could do this before you do the crease work. I just forgot to. I would have done it that way, but I forgot. And I'm just applying that to the rest of the lid that's bare, not covering up the dark brown on the outer corner. And I'm just patting that in with my finger just to make sure it's nice and smooth, so when we put the shadows on top, they go on nice and smooth as well. Then I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in number 12, which is a very warm, almost copper, but still a brown sort of shade. It's a shimmer, and I'm taking that on a flat brush and just packing that over the brown jumbo pencil that we put down, and using that. I'm watching a TV show here, by the way, that's why I keep looking off to the side. And then I'm concealing my under eyes before I do my lower lash line, just to get rid of any dark circles and tidy up any fallout. Taking the same dark brown jumbo pencil and applying that, just doing a few dots here and there across my lower lash line. And then I'm taking my finger and then just smudging that across my eye. Again, this is going to be another base. I'm then taking the soft brown shade, this on a really small little Kryolan brush that I got in a palette or something, I don't know. It's Kryolan anyway. And applying that just to blend out the edge of the dark brown jumbo pencil, and then really close to my lashes, as close as you can get to the roots of the lashes, I'm taking the dark brown shade, really smudging that in, and then using the soft brown on the Kryolan brush to soften out the edge. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking the Inglot and JLo Pigment. This is in Silver Dollar. And I'm popping that on my inner corner just to highlight my tear duct area. I'm then taking Kiko's Lasting Precision Liner in 03, which is a really hot pink. I love these pencils. I wish I bought all the colours. I really want them all. I should really order them all. But I love this, and I'm applying that into my waterline because I did want a pop of colour on my waterline. I'm then going over that with the Essence Long Lasting Pencil in Coolest Chic, which is a violety purple. So the pink and the purple mixed together will make this sort of grapey,
I don't know how to describe it. It's like a pinky purple is the only way I can describe it. I didn't want it to be as pink and I didn't want it to be too violet. I want it to be more of a grape. Then I'm taking MAC's Brushstroke liner in Brushblack and I'm using that to line my upper lash line. Making a medium sized wing like normal. Nothing too strange with the wing. And then taking MAC's False Lash Mascara and I'm just applying mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And obviously you can stop here. This could be your finished look very easily. But I was going out this when I was filming this and I wanted to apply some lashes. And I'm going in with the House of Lashes Smokey Muse lashes. And then I'm taking MAC's Cream Colour Base in Sepia, which was discontinued, which devastates me and I only use it very rarely. And I'm taking that to contour my cheeks and I'm using that on a Zoeva 110 face shape brush. It's a real stubby little smudgy brush but for your face. It's really cool, I like it. And I'm just contouring just below my bottom lip to create more of a shadow there. I'm then taking the Model Co Cream Rouge in just Peachy, which is not peach at all. It's kind of almost like a red pink. And I'm just patting that on my cheeks. I haven't powdered my skin yet because we're using creams here. I'm going to powder that after. And to finish off the skin, we're going in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold. This gives a really cool wet look to the skin. I love it. And then onto the lips, we're taking MAC's Lip Pencil in Whirl. And I'm just lining my lips with this. Wow, I really focused on my lips for this shot. Then I'm taking MAC's lipstick in Fleshpot, which is like my new favourite MAC lipstick I'm using with everything. And I'm just going over top of that lip pencil. I did fill in my lips a little bit with the pencil. And that's your finished look, guys.
Alrighty guys, so that is your finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. I actually really like this look right now. I'm kind of weirded out that I love a really deep brown smoky eye, which is really weird, but I actually love it, and it's so nice on blue eyes and green eyes and every eye colour basically, because the purple matches brown eyes, the brown matches blue eyes, and the kind of rustiness of it all and the purple will match green eyes, so it basically matches everyone. But yeah, I actually really like it more than I think I thought I would. I thought it would have been just like meh, but now that it's actually on and it made it as dark as I wanted it to be, I actually love it. So yeah, if you did like this look, then give me a big thumbs up, hit subscribe down below and let me know in the comments what you think. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!